What's up, YouTube? Poplar Mechanic here. Today we're going to be taking these tall dead poplars out from behind this house. It's sort of a unique area around here, but I'll just turn it around and show it to you. So we've got these trees here. They're stone dead and they're just worried about, because you can see how close the house is here. Here's the balcony. We're going to have to do a little bit of climbing in this one probably. I'll probably alleviate some weight. Maybe even just piece that one right down and get some of those dead tops in behind there. We've got this one right here. It's probably going to be a similar situation. I may just put a rope in this one and we'll pull it. These three here are leaning to go, so we'll start with these. Now there is a road down there. It's probably hard to see, but it's a long ways away, so we shouldn't be too bad. A couple dead snags out there as well that can probably come down. See you guys at the top. Alright guys, so this is the first tree of the job. It's leaning to go downhill, so there's no problem there. The problem was we had some snags below there. I should have cleared them out first, but my thinking was this tree was going to smash them because it was quite a bit larger and they just go downhill. But that ended up being a mistake, and you'll see what happens here. It's not too bad, but it's not that great either. I'm gonna have to lay that snag down so that shit doesn't happen again. Alright guys, so right now I'm just spiking up the first tree to set my primary tie-in point. I just am using a steel core lanyard here, and you can see I got the zigzag. I'm actually double roping this one. I haven't done a double rope in a while, but yeah, I just cinched it like that for a secondary tie-in point. It's just handy for positioning when I'm moving around. So basically I'm limbing these trees the best I can, and then I'm going to set my main tie-in and my rigging, and we'll start roping some pieces down. Eric. Okay, I just got bud. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. You just gotta, before they do that, you gotta let them below me. And my ropes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So Kelt, you'll have to manipulate that piece. Okay. That's what we need to see.
Alright, so I jumped over to this other tree here, and I'm just going to send this top now, just taking advantage of my healthy tie-in point before I get rid of it here.
Stay, Bessie. Stay, old girl. Doesn't get any better than that, buddy.
I basically just snap cut the smaller wood on this spar, and then I roped the larger pieces just so we didn't dent the lawn. I'm just using that piece that I knocked the top off earlier just with a ring sling to lower these pieces, and then we ended up leaving them about 10 feet because, you know, it's good for wildlife and stuff, and they're not going to hurt anything, so.
Fuck yeah. Eric, literally. Literally. Well, sometimes to make an omelet, you got to break a few eggs, boys. That's okay. The deer will like it now. The leaves are closer to the ground. All right, let's have some cash. No, I'm just kidding.